Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can convert an Excel file into a JSON file in Angular. So let's get started. First, open your Angular project in VS Code. Make sure you have Node.js and Angular CLI installed on your system. Now, open the terminal and type npm install XLSX to install the XLSX library, which helps you read Excel files easily in Angular. Once installed, open your component.ts file where you want to handle the file upload. Create a function called onFileChange and use it to capture the uploaded Excel file. Inside this function, create a new file reader and read the file as a binary string. Then, use the XLSX read method from the library to parse your file data. After that, select the first sheet using workbook. Sheet names 0 and store it in a variable. Finally, convert the sheet data into JSON format using XLSX utils sheet to JSON worksheet. This will give you a clean JSON array of your Excel data. You can log it in the console or save it to a file depending on your project needs. If you want to download the JSON file, install the FileSaver package by typing npm install FileSaver. Then, use the code savesnublobjson stringifijson data type application.json data JSON to export the converted JSON file. And that's it. Now you know how to convert your Excel file into a JSON file in Angular easily using the XLSX library. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.